Well, hello again. Second video already. Doing well, aren't we? I thought I might take the opportunity at this time just to bring you up to date, really up to speed as to what I've actually been doing in between all the worky, relationshipy stuff. So I'll just give you a bit of a show, see what I've been up to. So there you go, just a few things I've been up to. You know, YouTube, it's like 8-9 minutes, but at that time it's been like 2 months on and off. I mean, we're up to work-life balance, as I say. So hope that sort of gives you an idea of what I've been up to. I've not just been sitting around eating cake and well, I have. It's Christmas. Well, it has been. Anyway, so that's that bit. You know, if you have the time and the ability, even if you don't have the inclination, try and make something. Be creative, even if it's just in your own personal life. Be happy, be good. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care.